Hello friends, welcome to all in my YouTube channel all about civil engineering by Praveen Mane. This is Professor Praveen Mane, having experience more than 14 years in the teaching field as well as in uh, industrial field. So now today I'm, as per request from my friends, today I'm going to prepare a video on same topic which already I have prepared for location of different rooms as per Vastu Shastra in building. So this video I am preparing in the language English only. Already I have prepared video with the language Marathi language. So some my friends asked me to prepare this video in English. So without wasting the time, I am starting my video. What is mean by Vastu Shastra, or what should be the different location of different rooms for as per Vastu Shastra, and which color combination is good for different rooms, and why this is the most important thing. Why this location is for this room as per Vastu Shastra. So this is the recent ancient Indian guide by which we can design the building or rooms of building so that we can use natural resources wherever possible. Natural resources, sun, wind, so we can use that and feel the environment healthy, wealthy, prosperity, feel peace in the home and happiness. So remove the negative energy. So what is mean by negative energy, positive energy? So these are nothing but our thought of minds, they are, it may be happiness. If we use natural resources, then it will definitely lead to a happiness. So without wasting the time, I'm going to start my presentation. So here, as far as different rooms are concerned, so first is the main entrance. It's not a room, but it's a main entrance of the room. Then bedroom, living room, kitchen, store room, dining room, study room, puja room, and bathroom. And as far as main entrance is concerned, the first most important direction where you can provide 100% provide door is northeast side. Then next one is the east side, then north side, then northwest side, and then west. If you possible, as per your possibility, you can use these directions. All these directions are good for providing main entrance of your building. So your material is teak wood material is very good for the best choice for the main entrance door. A main entrance door should be with two shutter, double shutter. It should be a double shutter door. A black paint should not avoided for as far as color of this door is concerned. You can use violet or red color as far as your doors is concerned. Then the main entrance should not produce any type of noise during the opening and closing. That you should take its maintenance is very much important. A level of the main door should be higher as compared to its surrounding ground level. So the level of the main door should be higher than surrounding level. Then your second room is bedroom. As far as bedrooms are concerned, the location of bedroom is decided based on the wind direction in summer, monsoon, and winter. As far as wind direction, so the best choice is for north direction, then east direction, then southwest direction, and then west direction and northwest direction. And color combination for bedroom is light shade. You should use light shade, you should not use dark shade as far as your bedroom is concerned. Light shades, you should use chocolate color, then blue color, then rose color, then green color. Then mirror, most important thing, mirror should not be kept in the bedroom, because it leads to a frequent misunderstanding and quarrel between the occupants. Then next is a living room. So this is the most important room as far as your guests are concerned, or some members outside the family. They came to your house and they firstly enter in the living room. So the directions used for living room are east, then north, then northeast, and the color combination should be white, blue, green, red, and light yellow. Then heavy furniture should be placed on the southwest side. Electronics appliances should be placed on the southeast direction. The mirror should be hung in the north direction. North direction mirror should be hung. Then prefer square and rectangular furniture instead of other type of furniture. Prefer rectangular square furniture. Then many other things, but it is not necessary, or I'm not going to explain here because it will make a video longer length. Then kitchen location is the southeast, is the best location, then northeast. Then cooking gas should be so placed that we cooking, the person faces east direction. Whenever a person is cooking any food, so his or her um, face direction should be towards the east. So that will be your the best location for kitchen. And the larger window, longer window is provided on east side because morning sun rays, they are necessary for kitchen. Then refrigerator should be kept in the southeast side or northwest direction. It should be placed in the southeast or northwest direction. Then color combination for kitchen is white color, silver color. You can use rose and then light chocolate. And most important thing, you should keep one red strip of dimension 4 inch by 1 feet or 4 inch by 2 feet in the kitchen room. This represent fire element. So this represent a fire element. So it will be placed in the uh, southeast corner. So it will be placed in the southeast corner. So red strip. So that will be the most important thing for your kitchen. Now storeroom. The storeroom should be placed northwest side. Then oil and liquid add storage should be done on southeast side. The large window should be for east side, and then smaller window on west side. Why these windows are east and west side? Because whenever you need a natural ventilation for your any room, your windows or your openings should be opposite to each other, so that there should be a passing of air circulation. It is good for air ventilation or air circulation in the room. Then no empty container should be left in the storeroom. It is desirable to raise the floor level of the storeroom. Storeroom floor level should be raised other than the other levels of your house or room. Then dining room. The location of dining room should be first best location is west side, then north side, then east side, and color combination is pink, orange, cream color, yellow color, off white color. And most important thing, dining should not be placed beneath the beam, below the beam, any beam. Then dining area should be built on the same floor level as of the kitchen level. Sometimes some persons or some family members or some those who constructing dining, they need a floor level higher for dining, or higher for kitchen, or lower for kitchen and higher for dining. So it is not admirable. It is not admirable. You should provide dining level same as your dining floor level, same as your kitchen floor level. And then avoid using digital equipment while eating. So every time, every day, or nowadays, everybody has uh, uh, what we can say, everybody has different ways they are using different uh, digital equipments during the eating or during watching anything. So it is advisable, or it is, and it is what we can say, it is a necessary thing that you should avoid use of this digital equipment during the eating. Then wallpapers, you should not hang wallpapers arousing hunger can be hung on the wall to enhance the appetite. Then concentration should be paid to food while eating, and one should be relaxed and stress free during the eating. And then dining table should not be placed below any beam, and dining table should not be folded and kept to a uh, kept to a your wall. It should not be folded and kept to the wall. Then study room. As far as your study room is concerned, most important location for study room is north, northeast, and east. So these three locations are very good for the study room. Then your color combination should be light and subtle color should be used so that it can radiate peace into the mind of occupants. Then table should not be placed beneath the beam, not facing wall or window, not facing wall or window. And your color combination should be like this. The light color should be used. Sometimes it is possible you can use the white color. And then location is north, northeast, and east. North, northeast, and east. This should be the locations. Then study table, as I have told you, study table should not be placed in the beneath the beam, and ample light should be fall on the study table. Then puja room. This is the most important room where we get a positive energy. A lots of positive energy we are getting from this room. So location of this room is, best location is northeast. Best location is northeast. If not possible, you should provide to the east side. If not possible, you should provide a location to the east side. And most best location is northeast, but it is not possible, you can provide it to the east side. Then its color combination should be light yellow color, you can use white color, cream color, light green, light blue color. Use, avoid use of dark color and red color, black color, and brown. Avoid use of these dark colors like red, black, brown. White or yellow colored marble work upsurge auspiciousness of the puja room. So you have to use a you have to use the light colors and avoid the use of red, black, and brown colors. And its location is northeast as well as east location. Then puja shutter door, puja shutter door puja room door, oh sorry, puja room door should be two shutter door. It should be a two shutter door, and it should have a threshold. It should have threshold at the entrance. So it should have threshold at the entrance. And whenever we do any puja in the puja room, your face should be on east side. Your face should be on east side. So your uh, gods, whatever god you are keeping in the puja room, face of this god should be on west side. Their face should be on west side. Your face should be on east side whenever you do the puja. And then idol should not be facing towards south direction. It should not be, it should be placed facing towards the uh, north direction, towards the west direction, towards the east direction, but it should not be faced towards the south direction. It should not be faced towards the south direction. So then photos of animals and birds should not be hung on the puja room, as you know. Then puja room should be located on, as far as possible, ground. It should not be what we can say, it should be provided on the ground floor. It should not be hanged, or any of the god's image or photo, it should not be hung. It should be placed on the any of, you can place any base to the on ground floor, and above that you can place the idol image. So that should be most important for puja room. So now more, then next room is the bathroom. So toilet and bathroom. So this is the place where we'll get only negative energy, only negative energy. These are the sources of negative energy. So that's why this should be placed in such a manner that your occupant should not affect effect of these rooms. So the best location for bathroom and toilet bathroom is northwest. The best location is northwest. If not possible, provide to the west. Then color combination should be white and blue, and its feature is construct toilet above 1 to 2 feet above ground level. So you, whatever your floor level is there, ground level is there of other rooms, you should provide 1 to 2 feet above the different 1 to 2 feet above this floor level of toilet. Then slope should be provided towards east to north. So slope should be provided to the east to north, east to north. Then entrance to the toilet should be provided east or north wall. The entrance of the toilet or bathroom should be provided on east or north side, east side or north side. Then entrance width can be reduced as compared to that of the door size of opening house. Then door size should be less than other size whatever you are used in the your room. So door size for as far as your washrooms are concerned, bathroom and toilets are concerned, it should be less as compared to less than the other doors which you have used in your house. Then water tank, water taps, water tanks or taps should not be located in southwest or southeast direction. Southwest, southwest, southwest or southeast direction, southeast direction or southwest direction. So then scientific reasons why these are required, why these locations are there. As this see, this most important thing is how we'll get use of natural resources. If we use natural resources in the house, it will feel happy, it will feel happy. That's why these rules are very much important. Now most important thing, as video get longer in length, so I'm avoiding explaining other things. So I'm preparing another video, then you can watch this also, and then I'm going to explain simple things, 2 3 simple things. So sleeping with legs facing, where you need to, how you need to sleep, where your legs should be whenever sleeping, and what are their uh, effects, or why this, what are the profits you get, what are the benefits you get if you sleep like this. If you sleep by facing your legs towards north, you will get deep sleep, you will get long life. If you sleep facing your legs to the south side, so your life shortens. So you should not never sleep facing legs towards south side. You can face your legs while sleeping towards any side, but you should not face it to the south side. It is a very dangerous. And as far as west side is concerned, if you face your legs while sleeping towards the west, it brings enlightenment to your life. Then if you sleep while with facing leg facing towards the east side, it will fame wealth, you will get, you will keep you'll be a healthy wealthy person, healthy wealthy, you will get health and wealth. So this is the important things which I need to tell you. If you like this video, please do it and share it and like it, watch it, like it, share it, subscribe it, subscribe the channel for more such fruitful videos. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me. If you have any suggestion, you comment me. Or if you need any of the video, you can talk video on any topic, you just comment me, I will be there, I will be preparing the same video. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, Please do share it and subscribe the channel for more such fruitful videos. Thank you.